Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access advanced features. Now click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher at the top in order to activate it. Then scroll down and click on one of those options to set up the best one to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with button, so I have to click on this option and follow all of the instructions below it. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to resize it, hold one of its corners and drag it. When you're ready, let go. You can also change placement of it by tapping on this icon on one of its sides or holding this line at the top and dragging it. If you want to go back, just click on this blurry area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!